Hello everybody and welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. On today's video we have the USWE Anything But Mainstream No Dancing Monkey 8-liter trail vest. Yes, this is a trail vest. This is something that all the trail runners or anybody that usually hikes has nowadays, and you know what, these things are amazing. And I went with this brand because it's highly rated. Not too many people know about it. You know, I went and did my reviews, and I had to dig deep to find this. And you know what? I'm glad I did, because it looks like one of the best trail running vests I've ever seen. Very nice quality build. Water bottles are great. The feel of the vest. This is it's gonna last years. Probably your whole damn life, to be honest. I'll probably just grow out of it just in case I get too big. But let's hope not. So, anyways. So on the side there, we got these elastic side panels with this little clip, so you can press down on that clip and actually extend the side panels out. You got a little side zipper here that you can put things in, like hiking poles, snacks, additional bladders. So that's really cool. It gives you all the zippers that you need, but doesn't do like overkill. You know, it doesn't just gives you exactly what you need. It's lightweight, compact, snug fit. To be honest, I don't know what else you would need in a trail running vest. This pretty much checks all the boxes. I don't even think I have any cons. We'll see at the end of the video. Okay, so just wanted to give you a view of the back here. Back looks great, as you guys can see. And you have these little top section there with a little bit of logos and stuff there. That's pretty cool. Little bit of sayings. Got your zipper there on the left. And then on the top here, you have your little Velcro that you can unstrap. And I believe this is also where you can stick a bladder through the top. An additional if you needed one. So that'd be great. And they have the little clip-ons there as well. So it's just cool knowing you have each water bottle that they give you is 500 milliliters. And then you can stick an additional bladder in the back just in case you need more. So just it's versatile, which is great. So if I'm doing a hike that's only like 5 miles, I'll just keep the 2 front water bottles, should be all I need. But if I'm doing anything like a 10 mile, 14, 15 mile, then I can just add an extra bladder, which is great. Alright, now let's go over some of the details. Pack type. This is a running vest. Activity, trail running specifically, but you can use it for other things. Harness system is NDM. The weight is 258 grams, excluding the Ultra Flask. Dimensions are 45 by 40 by 5 centimeters depth, and the total volume you can carry is 8 liters. Alright, and some additional details here. So we have the NDM buckle, the quick one-handed operation, giving you secure and tight fit. Just like so. You got the spacer mesh. You also got elastic breathable mesh and an elastic draw cord. It's an adjustable elastic draw cord side panel to give you that tailored feeling and zero bounce. And you also got the viral off, which keeps off any viruses or bacteria. This is awesome. Alright, now let's get these hydro packs filled up with fluid and let's hit the damn trails already. So far the vest is holding up perfectly. No shaking like my last vest. Nice tight fit. You can move around perfectly. So far so good while running. easy access. Excuse me, thank you. Okay, you guys, and that is the USWE 8-liter trail running vest that does not bounce because it has no dancing monkey technology built right into it. Gotta say, love this vest. Pretty much doesn't have any cons. The only con I would say is probably the price. It's $159, but you know, most of these trail vests are that price. Doesn't move, gives you everything you need. Absolutely 10 out of 10. Would buy again. Probably will buy another one just to have a different color on hand. Alright, so with that said, I'll put the link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.